what lies beyond. I could run for miles inside my pillow, and